Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the upHere GPU brace ARGB one. So this is for a graphics card. Stops you from bending your port and bending the graphics card itself. This is for newer graphics cards because they're heavy. So yeah, most of them the graphics card that I am going to buy comes with one, which I realized afterwards. But that one doesn't light up, this one does, so I guess it's not bad. I'm going to be using this one, and if I can I'll use the other one as an extra. We'll see guys. Then again, I might also not need it anyway because my port is like a reinforced one, but we'll see. upHere, so the main reason I bought this is because it's ARGB, which means it lights up and stuff. Oh, there you go. Okay, manufacturer, dong. Yeah, pretty plain packaging. So I paid for this. It's currently £10.50. Let's see how much I paid for it. upHere I paid £8.44, so I saved about £2 something. It's not bad. Alright, let's go ahead and open this. Come on. Very tight packaging. It's not the best packaging either because there's no information on it. I like reading stuff, you know, sometimes product info. Come on, look at this unboxing guys with my feet. Okay, oh, okay, oh, it's quite smaller than I expected. Nothing else in there. Okay, so this is the thing itself. Zoom in. Alright, so there's your ARGB connector wire. This 3-pin one here. Oh, sorry, 3-pin one here. That's your ARGB. That'll connect up and this will light up. This here, this strip here, I'll show you what it looks like when it lights up. Let me see. That's what it will look like when it lights up. Okay, and you get some screws as well with it. I think that's to put in place and some sort of stick it up. 3M sticky things. Not sure what that's for. We'll see what that is for. Okay, so let me take out this packaging first. Okay, it's adjustable up to a certain length. It does take up 3 of your slots there, as you can see, for the back cover, so make sure you place that properly. Alright, and yeah, you adjust it with this. You have to figure out how this all works. What does it actually hold on to? Oh, so it'll be sat this way. Something's missing on this end. So you put the rubber foam pad there and it sits on that. Okay, I get this now. Makes sense guys. Right, so yeah, I can't plug in to show you what it looks like at the moment, but I'll do an installation video once I get the graphics card, and yeah, it'll be up there, you know. It's good build quality though. I like it. It's very sturdy, and yeah, good quality materials. It's not bad at all guys. For the price as well, you can't go wrong. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for this big PC build. Lots of pots to come. Good night guys. If you want to sponsor me for any pots, let me know. I'm in need of hard drives, SSD drives, I mean. What else? SSD. That's about it really. And the graphics card. Yeah, SSD and graphics card. So if anyone wants to sponsor me for them, let me know guys.